Here's my mountain. Kind of crazy, actually. Apparently late last night to early this morning, winds are gonna be at its all highest, reaching about like 80 miles per hour. Oh shit! And that's pretty fucking crazy. So, I mean, it already is pretty windy up there, so, I mean, we'll see.
Oh shit, my camera's moving.
Yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys up there.
And honestly, this was pretty nice. Yes, it was windy, but I kind of enjoyed it.
It's pretty windy.
The rustling of the trees and the bushes, watching them sway harmoniously, brought me ease. Feeling the wind hit my face and hear it rush past me filled my thoughts with peace. It's unfortunate this feeling didn't last.
Holy fuck! You guys hear that? Oh my god. I'm literally leaning up against this fucking thing because I'm scared it's gonna push me. On my way up here, I got pushed back. Isn't that fucking crazy? Oh my god. My hands are fucking freezing right now. I think it was like 40 degrees when I was coming up. I can't imagine what it's at right now. This is definitely the worst I've seen it up here. But the past days when it's been windy, I have been afraid to put my camera down. Oh shit. It gets windy to the point where you gotta stand different. Why am I yelling? The mic's right here. Sorry, I don't know. Oh shit! Camera, please don't go away. When I was going up the hill, it was pushing so hard. I look up and a bunch of fucking like debris is like flying towards me. Like rocks. Oh shit, my camera's moving. Oh, I'm grabbing it. Oh my god. I'm gonna go down. I still got plenty of time before 9, so I'm just gonna try to edit somewhere at the bottom of the mountain. If I die, honestly, this is kind of a cool way to die. I'll see you guys later.
Boo! Oh, hey, Hermie. Hi, Hermie. Oh, I was sweetheart. Oh, I was sweetheart. I want all the smoke. Ah! Oh, she just punched me in the face. Did you see that?
You brush your teeth too? Let's smell that. Ready?
Oh, wait! I'm gonna go serve myself a bowl of cereal. This is the best cereal there is. Can't argue with me on that one.
Oh yeah, also I'm lactose intolerant. I found this out like recently. So this is my first time getting lactose milk, and honestly it tastes the same. It tastes still really good. So there's that. Enjoying every second of it. Oh, shit. Alright, ready? Don't fight me on this one. Honey Bunches of Oats is the best. Oh my gosh, so I think Maritza and I are gonna go out to get food. Even though I'm eating cereal right now. I'm just a hungry guy.
That food was absolutely delicious. Alright. It's about to be 10 o'clock, so that means good night. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah.
I knew it.
Good night.